Oh, I have an idea for my app. Let me note it down and send it to Claude Code later. Well, with a Notes app that connects right to your coding agent like Claude Code or Codex, I could node my idea right into this app and have Claude Code at home build it out for me. I'm curious about my usage on the app, and I want to track how many hours I have recorded myself on this app, and I want it displayed on the home screen above the greetings area, centered and styled nicely so that it blends into the background rather than being too in your face. Finish recording. It will transcribe what I say and put it into key points. It'll take like under a minute, so I may speed this up. There we go. It has now transcribed everything and put it into notes. And here, when I go to my projects, I will see that my project named Personal, which is this app, has an item titled Add a recording hours display to the home screen. Now, if I want that built out, all I do is simply click Build, and it is being sent right to my coding agent that built this app, which was Claude Code. When it works, you could also watch its log, and you could see that the app has flagged this task as a pretty simple task, so it dispatched it to the model Sonnet 5. All Claude Code models are available here, including Fable 5, so you could watch it work in the log. It is pulling from the Personl MCP to understand what the task is, including all of the requirements around the task, which is connected to the note and the transcript that I said, and it will build it out accordingly. So let me head back to the Personal project. We will wait here. I could turn off my phone here. I could do whatever I want. For example, I am at a coffee shop. I could enjoy my sandwich and my coffee here while I turn my phone off and wait until Sonnet 5 finishes the job. When it's done, we can refresh with one tap to deploy the changes. As we can see here, the deploy is done, and so let me just refresh my app. On an iOS app, it usually takes 2 to 3 refreshes to see the change. There we go. Now the change has been added to the app. As we can see, it has showed my usage for this week, 5 hours and 10 minutes recorded. This also works for any project that I created on my computer. For example, for a project I titled Launching Personal, I used it to build out the landing page for the app. Here is the current landing page that was built. Let's say I'm looking at the app and I really wanted to make a change. Let's say I don't like the section at the top where it says the only edge you need, work all the time. I could simply go into my app and record. I want to get rid of the section at the top where it says the only edge you need, work all the time. It feels redundant, so just get rid of that and keep everything else, and if it leaves any space, then move everything else up. There we go. I will wait for the new build item to appear on my corresponding project. There we go. It has appeared. Remove the redundant header. again, all I need to do is press build. But let's say for this task, I wanted to pick the model that the task is handled with. Since I think maybe Sonnet might still be overkill for a simple task like this, I would click on reference and send and simply pick the model that I would want to use. I would like to just use Haiku. Send. Now we just wait. There it goes. We can just sip our drinks, enjoy our meal, our walk, whatever it may be. Here we go. We see that the build is done and it is ready to be deployed. One more refresh just to make sure. After the task is done, it will change its state to being an orange dot, and it will say freshly built. It will wait for you to test and confirm that it works. So I will deploy it. There we go. It has successfully deployed on Personl, and I can go back onto my landing page, refresh it, and see the magic happen. There we go. It is done. Everything else stays the same.